In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Sellfy into your website. By the end, you'll have your products, a single item, or a Buy Now button showing right on your site so visitors can purchase without ever leaving. First, log into your Sellfy account. Head to your dashboard and double-check that you've already added at least one product to your store. If your store is empty, there's nothing to embed yet, so make sure your product details, prices, and images are set. This keeps everything looking clean once it appears on your website. Next, open the Embed options. In your Sellfy account, go to Store Settings, then find Embed Options. This is where Sellfy generates the code you'll place on your website. The layout may evolve over time, but you're looking for the area that lets you create Buy Now buttons, single product embeds, or a grid of products. Choose the type of embed that fits your goal. A Buy Now button is the fastest way to place a direct checkout trigger on any page, ideal for a sales page or a blog post where you want minimal distraction. The single product embed displays one item with images and a description, great when you want to highlight features and keep the shopper focused. The All Products option, or by category, creates a compact storefront that showcases multiple items at once, perfect for a shop page. Pick your product or category as prompted and preview the look to make sure it matches your layout. Some embeds let you adjust size or layout so the content fits neatly in your design. When you're happy, copy the generated code. Sellfy will provide HTML or an iframe snippet. Use the copy button to avoid missing characters, and don't alter the code unless you know exactly what you're changing. Now paste the code into your website's HTML. In a visual builder, look for a custom HTML or code block, then paste the snippet exactly as provided. On WordPress, a custom HTML block works well. On platforms like Squarespace or Wix, use their code or embed elements. If you're editing files directly, place the code in the body where you want the content to appear. Avoid pasting it in the head, which can prevent it from displaying. Finally, save and publish your changes. Refresh your page to see the Sellfy content live. If the layout looks tight, try a wider container or full-width section so images and buttons breathe. That's all it takes to embed Sellfy and start selling directly on your site.